to the e-learning classes of SJEC. Good morning students. Today I will teach you moral science of class 8 chapter 1. Please open the chapter number 1, Love You God. First I will read it and then explain it. I got up one morning and rushed right to the day. I had so much to accomplish that I did not have time to pray. Problems just tumbled about me, and heavier came each task. Why does no God help me? I wondered. He answered, You did not ask. I wanted to see joy and beauty, but the day toiled and grey and bleak. I wondered why God did not show me. He said, But you did not seek. I tried to come into the God's presence. I used all my eyes at the lock. God gently and lovingly chided, My child, you did not knock. I woke up early this morning and paused before entering the day. I had so much to accomplish that I had to take time to pray. Now I will explain this poem. How many of you do the prayer every day? Many of you are doing so. So many are you are doing and so many of you are not doing it. But it is very essential to do the prayer every day. God has given us too many that we desire. Some of you can say that I do not have so much time to do daily prayer, but you have the enough time to enjoy yourself, chat your friends and your relatives, and do the games every day 2 and 3 hours on the mobiles, but you do not have the time to pray the God. If you want many things from the God, then you must show it to the God by offering prayer. Okay students, so please do the prayer daily, and once I will teach you and one chapter you will explain it very easily. When Napoleon was returning from Russia, he was unable to defeat Russia. After a day of arduous retreat, the whole army was resting. Everybody was wrapped in as many blankets as they could get. It was a very cold winter night. Every soldier was fast asleep and unaware of the snowfall. Everything was white, quiet, and very cold. Napoleon called out to one of his officers. Together they stepped out on the tents. They roamed around the camp to check that everything was all right. Everyone was asleep, but as they began to move to the other end of the camp, they saw a tent with a light still lit on. Napoleon signaled his officer to go and find out who was there and what was he doing. Minutes later, the officer came back and said, Sir, it is General Braud. He has just finished working and now praying. Napoleon said nothing. He went on watching over his tired, defeated army. Next day, Napoleon went to General Braud. My dear General, I am very pleased to hear that you were doing till late last night. I congratulate you. I have even heard that you were praying too. The general replied, Sure, sir, it is true. If I have enough strength to work, it is due to my prayer. I can face the enemy, I can face my hardships, even this bitter cold and death. What I cannot face, it is the day without prayer. We all must pray every day. Praying means talking to God. With praying, we can thank God for all that He has done for us. We can share our hopes and problems with Him. When we love someone, we need to talk to him or her. For instance, we like to talk to our parents or good friends. Similarly, when we love God, we want to talk to Him, and we do that through our prayers. God always hears our prayers and answers. Sometimes we acknowledge His answers, sometimes not. God always knows what is best for us, so we must pray to Him and trust Him. It is the chapter finished, and in the next period, next turn, I will do all the exercises. So please, you will read it very carefully and stay safe. Follow the safety rules from Corona.